Loomos AI has just hit the market, and today I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this new AI software. If you're considering whether Loomos is the right fit for your business or personal projects, stick around because I'll give you all the insights you need. You'll want to stay tuned until the end for some surprising features that make Loomos stand out in an already crowded AI space. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can actually try Loomos AI for completely free through the link in the description below. No strings attached, just a genuine opportunity to test out the software yourself. Now let's jump into what makes Loomos AI one of the most exciting new tools out there. First off, Loomos is built for efficiency. Whether you're looking to optimize your workflows or just looking for an AI solution that can boost productivity, Loomos has got your back. It's designed to automate key processes, saving you time and money, especially when it comes to content creation and management. What's really impressive about Loomos is its AI-powered communication capabilities. The software uses natural language processing to understand and respond to inquiries with an impressive level of nuance and accuracy. This is huge for businesses who rely on AI-driven customer support or chatbots to handle user interactions. Loomos also integrates smoothly with several popular tools that digital marketers rely on daily. You're looking at seamless integration with CRMs, email marketing software, and even project management tools. So if you already use platforms like HubSpot, Salesforce, or Asana, Loomos makes it easy to link up and start automating tasks right off the bat. Another feature that sets Loomos apart is its predictive analytics. This is particularly useful for anyone trying to make data-driven decisions. Loomos doesn't just help you analyze past data, it gives you forecasts and actionable insights that can help guide your next move. This is a game changer, especially in industries like marketing, finance, and e-commerce. For those of you who are a bit skeptical about how easy it is to get started with Loomos, here's the good news. It's incredibly user-friendly. Even if you have no prior experience with AI tools, Loomos' intuitive interface ensures that you won't feel overwhelmed. Plus, it offers excellent support and resources to help you get up and running quickly. Now, for something that's really exciting, Loomos is constantly evolving. The team behind it has already announced regular updates, so you can expect new features and enhancements at a consistent pace. If you're someone who likes staying ahead of the curve, Loomos ensures that you're always on top of the latest AI trends. And finally, Loomos is designed with scalability in mind. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a large enterprise, Loomos can adapt to meet your needs. The software can scale with your business as it grows, offering flexibility and support at every stage of your journey. Now, before we wrap up, I want to mention that after testing thousands of AI software platforms, I've found Loomos to be one of the most well-rounded and accessible tools available today. If you want to see how it stacks up for yourself, don't forget to try it out using the link in the description below. And if you're looking for other AI tools, I've got you covered there too. Check out my recommended list of the best AI software options below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.